and I hope that you have enjoyed with my last videos. So let us start our exercise 6.2, sorry 6.3, which is completely based on Pythagoras theorem, and I think that you still remember about the Pythagoras theorem, what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem and what is the mathematical proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if you have any doubt about the Pythagoras statement or its theorem, then you can ask me by just mention your doubt in the comment section. I will clear in my next video. Okay, so let's start our question that given here. There is a question that in an isosceles in an isosceles right triangle, the length of the square of the hypotenuse, sorry, the square of the hypotenuse is 50 centimeter, is 50 centimeter square. Then find the other two legs, other two legs of the triangle. Okay, so this is the given question, and here we have to find its solution. What does the question say? The question says that in an isosceles right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is 50 centimeter square. Okay, this is the 50 centimeter square. Then find the other two legs of the triangle. So here one most important thing I would like to tell you that in right angled triangle, except hypotenuse, the other two sides of the triangle are also known as the legs of the triangle. Okay, and here the triangle is isosceles, that means except hypotenuse, its other two sides or its other two legs are equal. So in this case, when we draw the figure, we get our right angled triangle ABC. Okay, and the square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is given here 50 centimeter square, and AB and BC both are equal. Okay, because it is the isosceles, so no doubt its two other legs are equal. So if they equal, then we can assume that their length may be x. Then we write here solution. Let us consider AB is equal to BC is equal to x centimeter. Okay, and given that AC square is equal to 50 centimeter square. So we know that we know that Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so here we just put the value of these parameters, we get our required result. So here we get that the value of AC square is given, which is 50. So 50 is equal to x square plus x square, and this will be 2x square is equal to 50, and this implies x square is equal to 50 upon 2, which gives us x square is equal to 25. Okay, so here we get x square is equal to 25, then this implies x multiplied by x is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, and from here we get x is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, and therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to x, and this will be equal to 5 centimeter as the result. I hope you get the solution of this question. So just see and let me explain this once again. Okay. So students, the question was, in an isosceles right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is 50 centimeter square, then we have to find the other two sides of the triangle. Since the triangle is isosceles, so it is obvious that its other two sides except hypotenuse will be equal. So here in the figure we can see that AB is equal to BC. So when AB will equal to BC, then here we can assume that their length like this. So here we write, let us consider AB is equal to BC and this will equal to x centimeter. And it is given that the length, the square of the hypotenuse is 50 centimeter square. So we have out here x square is equal to 50 centimeter square. Now by using the concept of Pythagoras theorem, then what does the Pythagoras theorem state? It says that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or we can say that square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of other two legs. So here we write the Pythagoras theorem and just substitute the value of AC, AB and BC like this. Here we write 50, which is the value of AC, and is equal to x square plus x square. Because AB and BC are equal, therefore we just put the same value, and in this case we get 2x square is equal to 50, or x square is equal to 50 upon 2, which gives us x square is equal to 25. And here we can write x square. X square can also be written as x multiplied by x, and 25 in the same way can also be written as 5 multiplied by 5. And just taking their one value, we get x is equal to 5, which is the length of the other two sides of the triangle. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all. Now let us see our next question. Now let's see our next question. The length of the side of some triangles are given below. Then which one are the right angle? The sides of some triangle are given. Identify which of these is right triangle. Is right triangle. So let's start. Here given first is A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 8 centimeter, and C is equal to 10 centimeter. The second is A is equal to 2.5 centimeter, B is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and C is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So first of all, let's check with these two units. After that, we shall solve the other. So here the first is given A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 8 centimeter, and C is equal to 10 centimeter. Then here we have to check which of these is the right angle triangle. So in order to identify which triangle is the right angle triangle, it must be they have to satisfy Pythagoras theorem. And if they will not, then they will not form right angle triangle. So let us see which satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So here we write for the first, we know that C square is equal to A square plus B square. And here given value of C is 10 centimeter square. So this will be square of 10, and the value of A is 6 centimeter square. So this will be square of 6, and plus the value of B is 8. So here we write the square of 8. And we solve this, we get 10 times 100 is equal to 6 is 36 plus 64, and this will be 100 is equal to 100, which shows that the first side of triangle form a right angle triangle because it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. Because the Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the square of the other two legs. So here, when we operate on the basis of Pythagoras theorem, we get that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of its other two legs will equal. So this satisfies Pythagoras theorem, and hence it forms a right angled triangle. Now let us see what about the second. So here we write, we know that C square is equal to A square plus B square, and the value of C square is 4.5 square, and this will equal to 2.5 square plus 3.5 square. Now let's find the square of 4.5. So here, when we solve, we get 4.5. This will be equal to 20.25 is equal to 6.25, and this will be plus 12.25. So this is the square of the given value of the given side, and now let's check that whether they satisfy Pythagoras theorem or not. So when we add them, we get 20.25 is equal to 5 plus 5 10, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, decimal 2 plus 6 8, and this is 1. Here we can see that left hand side is not equal to right hand side, which means that the sum of the square of hypotenuse is not equal to the square of sum of its other two legs, which means that the second does not satisfy Pythagoras theorem, and hence it does not form right angle triangle. So student, I hope it is clear to all, and please write some question for your practice. And if you have any doubt in this solution, then you can ask me. Just mention your comment in the comment section. So before leaving the video, first I give you some homework that which make you sure that you get the solution of this question clearly. So please write some question here. The first is 8 centimeter. A is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 15 centimeter, and C is equal to 17 centimeter. And the second is 0.3 centimeter, A is equal to 0.3 centimeter, B is equal to 0.4 centimeter, and C is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So there are two questions I gave you as a homework, and I suggest to all students, please try to solve this question for your practice. Okay student, we shall meet in our next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.